the base to the top again.
Top again.
Integrity we have, we not flop again.
Social skills that we have been, we them can't go much again.
Excellence, make we take the spotlight again. I, E,
Respect, integrity, social skills, excellence, everybody gonna see.
right,
Right,
on the right,
right,
on the right,
right.
on the right.
We rising from the base to the top again.
Top again.
Integrity we have, we not flop again.
Social skills that we have built, we them can't go match again.
Excellence.
Make we take the spotlight again.
We're gonna rise to the top again. We're gonna rise to the top again. They don't speak our language. They say we're too savage. US gonna rise to the top again. We're gonna rise to the top again. We're gonna rise to the top again. Respect, integrity, social skills, excellence, everybody gotta see. To the top again. We now flop again.
We them can't go match again.
You will rise again.
Well, Newell High School, these cheerleading songs, I call them, we have to look at them carefully because sometimes we have to vary the tone of the song. The tone doesn't have to be the same thing going right through. I thought that it needed some adjustments, some songwriting adjustments, because it seemed a little bit repetitive and the tone remained the same throughout the song. When we're doing a choir, we want to hear some differences. We could use harmony, we could use contrasting dynamics, and we could use change up some of the words and so on to give us an impact. The rhythm of the song is nice, the idea is nice, but you've got to work on some things.
Noel, I heard a lot of energy. I felt your energy, and that was exciting. I wanted more in terms of harmonic construction. It was just unison all the way. Based on how you sounded the last time, though, compared to now, Noel is on the rise.
No, I agree with Joy about the songwriting part of it. What I really loved was how energetic you were, how you projected your voices, and how some of you were really into the performance. You know, it was almost like it was at a stage show for some of the guys. They were getting into it. So that is good. Keep that up.